because it's forever old. I know it had to be 20 years old. The fact that it would drop in that little hole, you know what I mean? Now
yeah, compared to the one that, yeah, you have to press down in there.
Right. But I had a bird's nest, man. I'm peeling line off, and I got it straightened out, and I'm whooping it up. And
Ain't that some shit?
yeah, get it coming in.
Yeah.
There's something. When they start that shit, man, when you're whipping it in, that's usually there.
I got him on the tongue.
Nice. Now nothing tastes right for a week.
All right, don't make me stick myself though, fucker. Oh yeah, no, he was damn gulping it. I think I got him. Yeah, you know what? I think he hit it earlier and I didn't realize it. And then when I started to bring it in,
You had it the whole time.
yeah. All right, so how do I get that out of there? He's like right in the middle.
I'll be glad to offer you some assistance if necessary, sir. Jesus Christ, man. Is every fucking thing gonna be like this today?
Yeah, sorry, bud. I didn't know you was there. How you get it out there? So it's right down in the middle coming back up at me. What do you...
Look at this. Whatever this fiasco is gonna be.
Yeah, I got him right in the back of the throat. Sorry, Holmes.
You want me to see about him?
Yeah, I'd like to try to understand what the hell I'm supposed to do to fucking not wreck this guy.
That's one thing. I mean, that's why I like these little guys, man, because they're micro, and yeah, when I get that, I'll take these little pliers and I go up in his gill,
Okay.
and then you can get the right angle to turn it and twist it out, versus, you know, trying to snatch on it or whatever.
Right, yeah. So you basically turn the hook the other way?
Right.
Okay, you turn the hook upside down. Okay. God dang.
Yeah.
Sorry, Holmes.
He'll be all right.
Cool.
But when he's like that, when you go into the gill, like I just did, then you can catch it like way down there and just
rotate that point back down into his mouth, right? Okay. I see. I didn't. Yeah.
That's the reason I got these little.
The little micros, yeah.
And here's another little good deal, man. The old school hemos.
Right.
You
Okay.
need them for like micro thing because you can
really get up. Yeah. Okay. That's that. There's a learning curve.
Yeah. Ain't nothing but a thing.
I'm glad you were here before that, because I didn't want to mess him up.
Yeah, I don't think he's hurt. I mean, he wasn't bleeding.
At one point, it felt kind of heavy, and I thought I was hung on some grass or something, you know?
Yeah, he was just coming with you, probably.
Yeah, just dragging him along, right? Maybe. So, all right, well.
But it's a fish.
There we go. 1-to-1.
We'll have him.
No doubt.
We done got off the mark here, man. It's almost, I can't even reach it anymore.